drama, action, adventure, danger. You can faint before leaving the hangar.
Oh, okay. Yeah, good point. Yeah.
Keep it moving, people. Trying to work here. Keep moving.
Oh, hilarious, my friend. My employees love to joke while they work. It's just another benefit of working for Naka Transport Solutions. Am I right? Yes, right. So please keep moving forward and prepare yourself for an exciting career in the left-of-field world of interstellar smart shipping. We are shipping. Hello, my friends. I am Hondo Onaka, and this is Onaka Transport Solutions. Today, I am offering the opportunity of a lifetime. I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipments. And that is where you come in. The Millennium Falcon. On road for some very fast and very profitable expeditions. You mark my mind for a friend. As we agreed, you let us use the ship. We'll get you the supplies you need. It's a win-win. You help the resistance, and I get those points. What? No, the first one will never know we were there. Okay, time to go, so, bye. We better go before he changes his mind. Move along, my friends. Listen carefully and remember, the better we work together, the more you earn. Your lives and my profit depend on it. Now go. You wanted too much off time. I will never set them any place dangerous. They will damage the ship. And them too, yes, well. This is why I started my own company, to have ridiculous conversations with the broken trash bin.
You're all good to go.
It's coming for you, Christian.
Thank you.
Hi, Brad. Hello. Just kidding. You're going to go behind your front right there. Just kidding. I don't know where my head's at. So my pilots are going to...
Closer. You're back. I did not think I would see you again after the incident. You're braver than I thought. You will be intercepting a first-order train shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. Move on, my friends. See you in the cockpit. I want you in the cockpit, of course. Thinking of... You're still here, go.
Remain seated and supervise younglings. Por favor, permanezcan sentados y cuide a los niños.
Hurry now, time is money.
Thank you guys. Good luck.
Flight engineer, repair test. Hit your flashing buttons. You'd better be faster when we get into real trouble. Right, pilot? Push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left. Move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly up. And push forward to fly down. Watch it. Sure, if it's flying, this thing will be easy, eh? Weapons are online. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Now let's go get that coaxium. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed.
I think that far.
There is the plane.
Oh my God.
Come. Evasive action! Ah, there it is! After that train! Flight engineers, fire the harpoons! Eggs! Gunners, shoot the cargo free! The pilot brakes! Well, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. Now power up the ship. Well, I have the coaxium. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Now that the Resistance has what they need, maybe a little something for Hondo. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Get behind the train. Flight engineers. Gunners, shoot the train. The cargo is breaking. Keep shooting. I think I will let you tell the war. Come on. Hold that. It's again. We've got to get out of here. Yes, a distraction. Fire the missiles at the train. It's coming down. Let's fire. Hit the boosters. Boost. We made it. I don't believe it, but we made it. Now, let's get up. Your hyperdrive has failed. Pilots, evasive maneuvers. We've got company. Chewie's right. We cannot let them follow us back to the Resistance. Here's the last. Did it. Watch out!
Oh my God!
That's going to be wrong. Yes, Chewie will pilot us remote. You retrieved one container of coaxium. This will greatly help the Resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now, after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is, hey, not bad. Oh, wait, my friends. I'm afraid we have picked up a hitchhiker. All fine. Scan the exterior of the Falcon for life forms. You see, this happens sometimes when you travel through uncharted regions of the galaxy as much as I do. It is not unusual to find a stray species or two clinging to the hull. Nothing. But keep looking. The last thing I want is to let another radar loose in here. I am not cleaning that up. Did you hear that? It's right over my cockpit. What is it? All right, I'm making an executive decision. Everybody out. Go on, get out.
20%.
All available techs, we have a Corellian freighter that needs immediate transport back to the maintenance bay. This thing's seen better days. Better fix all that before the Wookiee sees it.
What? That is insane. No, I know it's a little bit. And I crashed at the beginning because, like, I did not know.
It's hard to, yeah.
I didn't know when we